Bouillon, a key culinary term for IELTS success. Imagine the rich, savory aroma of a perfectly simmered stock wafting through a professional kitchen. That's the essence of our word for today, bouillon. This culinary term is essential for IELTS candidates aiming for that coveted Band 9.0 score. So let's dive into its nuances and applications. Word type. Bouillon is a noun, meaning bouillon refers to a clear, flavorful liquid made by simmering meat, poultry, or vegetables in water. It's often used as a base for soups, sauces, and other dishes. In some contexts, it can also refer to a small cube or granules of dehydrated meat stock used to add flavor to dishes or reconstituted with hot water to make a broth. Word history. The term bouillon comes from the French language derived from the Old French word bouillir, meaning to boil. It entered the English language in the early 18th century, reflecting the significant influence of French cuisine on global culinary practices. Antonyms. While bouillon doesn't have direct antonyms, we can consider terms that represent opposite culinary concepts. These might include bland broth, flavorless liquid, or unseasoned water. Synonyms. Some synonyms for bouillon include broth, stock, consommé, and soup base. However, it's important to note that while these terms are often used interchangeably, there can be subtle differences in their preparation and use in professional culinary context. Examples used in sentences. The chef added a cube of beef bouillon to enhance the flavor of the risotto. The recipe called for 2 cups of chicken bouillon as the base for the creamy soup. Vegetable bouillon can be a great option for creating flavorful vegetarian and vegan dishes. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing bouillon with bullion. While they sound similar, bullion refers to gold or silver in bulk form, often associated with precious metal trading. Another error is using bouillon interchangeably with stock or broth in all contexts. While similar, bouillon is typically more concentrated and may contain additional seasonings. In culinary circles, mastering the use of bouillon can elevate your cooking from amateur to professional levels. For IELTS candidates, understanding the nuances of this term demonstrates a sophisticated grasp of culinary vocabulary essential for achieving top scores in the lexical resource category. Remember, bouillon is not just about flavor. It's about the depth of your culinary knowledge and linguistic precision.